Now listen to me carefully. The Most High considered the strangers a part of the family. However, there are restrictions on the strangers.
Neither from a stranger's hand shall ye offer the bread of your God of any of these, because their corruption is in them, and blemishes be in them. They shall not be accepted for you. And thou shalt not glean thy vineyard, neither shalt thou gather every grape of thy vineyard. Thou shalt leave them for the poor and stranger. I am the Lord your God. Thus saith the Lord God, no stranger, uncircumcised in heart, nor uncircumcised in flesh, shall enter into my sanctuary, of any stranger that is among the children of Israel. And when ye reap the harvest of your land, thou shalt not make clean riddance of the corners of thy field when thou reapest, neither shalt thou gather any gleanings of thy harvest. Thou shalt leave them unto the poor, and to the stranger. I am the Lord your God.
The strangers are servants and they work for the Israelites. Another important detail I would like to make clear to Israelites all over the world: the Most High did not give you permission to marry a stranger. Although the Most High considered the stranger a part of the family, he forbid you to marry a heathen. The Most High is strict on keeping his people's bloodline pure. You are to marry another Israelite, not a stranger or a wicked heathen.